Okay, now let's derive the formula for the length of focal chord of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Here PSQ is focal chord. We have coordinates of points P and Q. We have standard coordinates for the extremities of focal chord. Okay, we can find length PQ using distance formula. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला से हम PQ लेंथ निकाल सकते हैं और वी कैन यूज दिस वन PQ is equal to SP plus SQ. We have segments of focal chord SP and SQ. What is length SP? SP is a focal length. Focal length is A plus abscissa of point P for parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So SP is A plus AT square. Similarly, SQ is A plus abscissa of point Q. Abscissa is A upon T square. So AQ is A plus A upon T square. So we have here A multiplied by inside bracket T square plus 2 plus 1 upon T square. This is a perfect square of T plus 1 upon T. So length of focal chord PQ is A multiplied by T plus 1 upon T whole square, where T is parameter of point P. T is parameter of one of the extremities of the focal chord. ठीक है ना? Now suppose equation of parabola is y square is equal to 8x and coordinates of point P are 3 comma root 24. Then what will be length of focal chord PQ? Length PQ कैसे निकालेंगे? We will use this formula, but for that we must have parameter of point P. हमें point P का parameter निकालना पड़ेगा, तब हम ये formula use कर सकते हैं. For y square is equal to 8x, value of A is 2. Okay. We compare coordinates of point P with 80 square comma 280. So we have 4t is equal to root 24. ठीक है ना? A का वैल्यू 2 है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा 4t. 4t is equal to root 24. So t is equal to, now root 24 is 2 root 6. So t is 2 root 6 upon 4. This is root 6 upon 2. ठीक है ना? और this is root 3 upon 2. t का वैल्यू मिल गया. Put the value of t and a here. So we have length of focal chord PQ 2 multiplied by root 3 upon 2 plus root 2 upon 3 whole square. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. We have 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 upon root 6 whole square. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 25 upon 6 is equal to 25 upon 3 units. तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके हमें फोकल कॉर्ड का लेंथ आसानी से मिल सकता है. नाउ वंस अगेन कंसीडर पैराबोला y square is equal to 4ax. Suppose focal chord PQ makes angle theta with positive x-axis. So slope of chord PQ is tan theta. This is equal to, if we use coordinates of points P and S, we have tan theta is equal to 280 minus 0 upon 80 square minus a. This is equal to 2t upon t square minus 1. So we have t minus 1 upon t is equal to 2 cot theta. चेक करो ये आएगा ना. टी स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन टी को LHS में लेके आते हैं, टेन थीटा को RHS में लेके जाते हैं. सो वी हैव टी माइनस 1 अपॉन टी इज इक्वल टू 2 cot theta. Now we can relate t minus 1 upon t and t plus 1 upon t. We have t plus 1 upon t whole square is equal to t minus 1 upon t whole square plus 4. T minus 1 upon t is 2 cot theta. So we have here 4 cot square theta plus 4. And cot square theta plus 1 is cos x square theta. So this is equal to 4 cos x square theta. Okay. So we have length PQ. Length of focal chord PQ is equal to 4a cos x square theta. We have length of focal chord PQ in the form of inclination of chord with the positive x-axis. अगर हमें फोकल कॉर्ड PQ का एंगल गिवन है x एक्सिस के साथ, तो हम उसका लेंथ निकाल सकते हैं इस फॉर्मूला को यूज करके 4a cos x square theta. Now we know that cos x square theta is greater than or equal to 1. So we get PQ greater than or equal to 4a. That means the least value of focal chord is 4a, and 4a is length of lattice rectum of parabola. For parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. For lattice rectum, angle theta is 90 degree, pi by 2 radians. So if we put here theta is equal to pi by 2, we get PQ is equal to 4a. किसी भी पैराबोला में शॉर्टेस्ट फोकल कॉर्ड क्या होगा? लेटस रेक्टम होगा, ठीक है ना? Now suppose equation of parabola is y square is equal to 8x and angle theta is pi by 4. Inclination of focal chord with positive x-axis is pi by 4 radians. Okay. Then what will be length of focal chord PQ? Use this formula. We have PQ is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. For parabola, y square is equal to 8x. Value of a is 2. Theta is pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4 is root 2. So cosec square pi by 4 is 2. So we have 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is 16 units. Okay. So length of focal chord is 16 units. जब फोकल कॉर्ड का इंक्लिनेशन गिवन है एक्स एक्सिस के साथ, तो हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? नाउ वंस अगेन कंसीडर पैराबोला y square is equal to 4ax. PSQ is focal chord and distance of this focal chord from origin is b units. Here OM is b units, M is foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to focal chord PQ. We have to find the length of focal chord PQ. PQ का length कैसे निकालेंगे? How can we use this formula? Suppose inclination of focal chord with positive x-axis is theta. So from the diagram, angle OSM is also theta. In triangle OMS, angle OSM is theta. ठीक है ना? Now we can get value of angle theta from this triangle. We have sine theta is equal to opposite side OM, OM is B upon hypotenuse OS, OS is A. So we have sine theta is equal to B upon A. So value of cosec theta is A upon B. Put this value here, we get length of focal chord PQ as 4A cube upon B square. ये क्वेश्चन आया था AI EEE में बहुत साल पहले.